Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create an account on American Express online from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to create an account on American Express online, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in American Express .com like this and enter, and after that you'll be directed to this page, which is the home page of American Express. And on the top right corner of your screen you can see the login button. Click over there and you'll be directed to this page, which is the login page of American Express. Scroll down a little bit and you'll be able to see the create a new online account. Click over there, and on this page you'll be required to enter your digit card number first over here, which is probably on the front and back side of both of your card as shown over here, and enter your 3-digit number or your 4-digit card ID number as shown on over here, and click on confirm. And after that you'll be taken to the setup and the finish process of the American Express, where you will be required to enter or register more of your account details, and after that you'll be able to use your American Express. And guys, this is how you sign up for American Express online account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.